God invented saws for this kind of thing.
There we go.
I dropped a can. Where are we? Thetford Forest today. With, introduce yourself. I'm not going to tell you her name until she tells you. And also this one.
This is Ruby.
Ruby! We are out for a bit of a bushcrafty kind of gentle wild camp after my last one. I feel like I need it. Excited?
Oh yes. Bit of back to nature time, just what we need.
An alcohol, but this was way too early and accidental.
And this was in sympathy. Couldn't let him go alone.
We're just going to do a little bit of a hike, wear Rube's out, and then cook up a lovely meal. Ruby, we've got a job for you. This camp has just turned way more exciting. Why have you taken us this way?
Oh no, this was so your decision.
That was not my decision.
This was 100%.
You were like, yeah, that looks passable.
Look left, that looks like a nice route. Not right now.
We just like bushwhacked through a lot of like stinging nettles on roids, and now our legs are absolutely.
They're in my laces. It's a little painful, just a tad.
Okay, we battled stinging nettles minefield.
Yep.
And we ended up pretty much where we started, which sort of is pretty on cue for my kind of adventure, I guess.
We found the dog again.
So yeah, we found the dog again.
Found the dog again.
There she is. Majestic. So we're just gonna basically find somewhere to camp. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay, we found a patch. I'm just doing a little bit of a recce. Ruby's decided to come with me. I think where we found was the best place.
Sweet.
We're matching tops.
Are we?
Mine's maroon as well. Mine's got a logo on it.
Yep.
Merchandise coming soon. I said that on a video last year as well.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Lauren's finding some kindling. She's found some pine needles because she's
hard to come by in the area.
absolute
so
Hawkeye. Spotted them all.
If I scavenged hard. Hey, making my efforts look futile.
Lauren's got a very bushcrafty, bright yellow and blue double hammock. Her banana hammock. Rube seems to have a tent all to herself. And I am having my first hammock camp, which is in there.
You're never going to go back.
I don't think I'm going to go back, you know.
Never going to go back.
I've already lied in it and I nearly fell asleep.
Triple experience you'll ever have.
Yeah, it is good. So campsite's like pretty much ready. Hey, that's my block of cement.
Your block of cement. Sorry about that.
Lauren homemade these.
It's got real crunch to it.
She cooked them in her pottery kiln, obviously.
The only way to make flapjack.
It's not flapjack unless you heat it to 4,000 degrees. And you probably burn more calories trying to chew through it than you do getting from it. Right, so you find some fibre.
Mhm.
Wait. God invented saws for this kind of thing. Camp is just over there. We're gonna cook our food here. Cleared a little patch which we can cover over easily. It's not really that peaty either, so I'm not worried about getting stones or anything like that. And we chop loads of wood, but it's a bit early, so we're just gonna drape a tarp, a brand new tarp over the top of it, just to keep it dry because it does keep spitting. And straight onto that, Rubes.
Such a bad cock. That's it, you ruined my top. First time it's even come out, not come out. What she said.
I'll keep it nice and dry. It's all raised off the floor, so that will be relatively dry. And if it starts to absolutely hammer it down, then it's going to be difficult to light the fire. Ruby!
Is that anywhere for a snooze?
She just does not care, does she? She's absolutely shattered. So I'm just going to lie in the hammock and have a beer, I think. Time to chill. Just realised I don't have a sleeping mat, so my bum's going to get cold. Unless I lie face down. Everything's done. Pretty much all the wood's sorted for food. Food is going to be amazing. How are you feeling?
Very relaxed. In my happy place. The dog's in the hammock. It's pretty chill.
Ruby.
What is it?
Oh my god, she's made me do the stupid voice. I've updated my fire kit.
Your fire kit?
So in here, I mean, it does have a first aid kit with it. So this is like my survival kit. But inside, it's got absolutely everything I could possibly need. Look how smart and neat that all is. You haven't used that top. I think she should go for it.
Is it just the stuff out the tumble dryer?
Yeah. I've got some birch bark in here as well. Birch bark is an excellent natural fire lighter.
Yeah, because it's all oily, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get this going.
I like it. Good luck.
That's caught way better than I thought. Okay, for food, I've gone all out, because I always do. Steaks, onion, rice, and chorizo. This is my cooking knife.
Good knives.
It is so warm next to this fire.
I love your little cooking kit.
If I come out here, I'm going to eat. I come out here to enjoy myself. I make sure I do. Chuck onion in there to keep the bugs away.
Does it actually work though?
No idea. It's just the smoke keeps the bugs away. But if I say stuff like that, people believe me.
I'll sound real fast.
And I sound like I know what I'm doing. And then, because I'm lazy, Uncle Ben's done the rest of the cooking for us.
Don't blame me in the slightest.
That one bit of fat wood there is burning absolutely beautifully, but it's because I'm waving steaks around. It's gotten a bit dark. Steak, rice, chorizo and onion. I don't have a fork or a spoon because I forgot that as well, so I'm using a twig. How is it?
Perfect. Absolutely on point. Share it a little bit with Ruby.
Alright, I'm just going to enjoy this in peace. Lauren's over there. That white dot. It's very dark now, it's like 9:30. Fair enough. Good day?
Cracking day. Perfect day.
Perfect day. I'm just going to say goodnight now because I'll forget otherwise. Alright, well I'm going to enjoy my sleep in a hammock. Night. We have daylight. Morning. Lauren's currently having a face mask in her tent.
Self-care, y'all.
Slept absolutely wonderfully. And apparently Ruby did too.
She is officially living her best life.
If that isn't one of the prettiest dogs you've ever seen. We woke up really late. And whilst Lauren's doing her self-care, I'm going to go around and take some pictures. Because I haven't actually done that for quite a while.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Photography sort of forces you to stop and look at things a different way, and that's really nice. I spent about 20 minutes trying to chase Ruby round to get a good picture of her. No, didn't happen. And Lauren's pretty much packed up, so I feel like I should probably do the same. Yeah, every time I go into the woods now, it is going to be top and hammock camping. I slept wonderfully.
You've gone from being a good girl back to being a minor hassle. You've downgraded.
Camp's put away and leave no trace, as always. Leave no trace, you have no idea we've been here. Same with our fire pit, that's all covered over very beautifully. No plan, again, let's just start walking and see where it takes us. Got our energy back. Absolutely stunning day. It was forecast to rain all of yesterday and all of today. Literally just wandering around now. Not all those who wander are lost. Cheesy but great. Okay, joke of the walk. There's an Englishman, a Welshman and a Pakistani man. All at the hospital, and all their wives all gave birth at the same time. And the doctor comes out to the three of them and says, "I'm really sorry, there's been a mix-up. You'll have to go in there and decide which one's your baby, because we don't know." And the Englishman instantly stands to his feet and goes, "I'll go first." So he goes into the delivery room and he comes out with what is quite clearly a Pakistani baby. And everyone's looking confused. And the Englishman goes, "Well, one of those kids in there is Welsh and I wasn't risking it." Back in the car now. really nice relaxed adventure.
Actually, perfectly chilled.
Yeah.
Just what I needed.
A little bit of walking, lots of fighting with stinging nettles. Lovely food.
Banging food.
That food was good.
Good sleep.
Good company.
Good company.
Well, Ruby was.
She'll do. I don't think she's ready to stop.
No, she's found her home. Yeah, lovely. Till the next one. Stay safe.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.